Okay guys, we're at the top of the bar strip now. Just coming onto the bar strip. Have a look down there, see what it's like tonight, Monday night. Should be different. Probably be a bit quiet. We'll see how we go. The service group headquarters. Yeah, if you ever get stuck in Benidorm, probably the way to go. Come there, they'll find you an hotel. Good news. The bar where the old Oxo bar was. Sure you know what I mean, guys. It's back open. Yeah, I'll take you to Indian now. Nice to see it back open. Really, I don't know why they moved. Been down there a couple of times, it don't look like that busy. That's the trouble with some of these guys. You get a good business going, you've just got to stay put, guys. Just coming down on the strip now. I've been going to do this. I should have done this the weekend, really. Things happened, they didn't do it. Never mind, we're going to see how many he's about. I'm trying to get a few videos up this till the end of the month. Get both channels going. Benidorm ball started picking up a little bit now. Benidorm Mad Mike will need a couple of weeks to get it going again. So, yeah. We're just walking past Bar's YouTube. If you do hear any music in the background, I'm not trying to pinch anybody's music or anything. Jumping jacks there. Great day, daytime bar. Everybody gets in here in the daytime. I think it's something to do with it gets good sun on. Plenty of food places down here, guys. Some of you guys come in late at night. Yeah, you got a late flight, something. There's always stuff open down on the bar strip, the British bar strip. Always open all night, most of them. I think they're open near enough all the time. I have to try and get past that little bit. Oh dear. I might not have too much bother with the copyrights. No, so now we're down by Planet Benidorm. And there's queuing. Pretty good. And it's simply the best. I'll take you city over on the other side. Where I am, I'm getting lost. I'm not actually lost, but yeah, nobody backing me up tonight. Watch now, bar. I have to get past this now with a bit of music on again. We'll keep talking over it. There we go. There we go. They always beat you. It's more of a typical Monday evening. We'll get a bit busier further down, I should imagine. Double S up there. The shamrock there. Goodbye. Back in the rubbish shed. Always seems to be rubbish on this one. Oh, can't have a look what bars are open now in the evening. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a bit of music going on, so I'm just going to stop here a minute. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch the one coming up in the card, but it'll be the rest of the way down the strip. Hopefully. Yeah, get some Max on in there and the... Oh, it's good, eh? Zodiac. Zodiac, whatever it's called, yeah. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.